Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be illustrating operators. We are into Eclipse IDE for C and C++. Under our project work, we are creating a new file, let's say a C source file. We name it operators.c. Click Finish and it will create a source file for us. Now, I'll be writing and explaining code that will teach you what are operators in C and how to use them in your C program. First, we will include some standard library for input-output. Then now we will define three integer variables a, b and c. If we write a is equal to 10 semicolon, that will assign the value 10 to our variable a. Now c is equal to a plus b. Here plus is an arithmetic operator which sum up the given two values. A is having a value of 10 and B is having a value of 5. So it will sum up both of that values and turns out to be 15. And that value 15 is then assigned to C. Now let's just print the value of C. The value of C is equal to %d. The value of C is equal to %d because C is a integer variable and return 0. Let's run this. It will build our program first, and as you can see, the value of C is equal to 15. If we want to subtract B from A, we'll simply use minus or this negation arithmetic operator. Let's run it. It says it has been modified, save changes. We'll click on yes. And as you can see, the value of C is equal to 5 because it takes 10 minus 5. It turns out to be 5 and then it assigns that 5 to C. So this is how operators works in C. There are more types of operators like relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, and miscellaneous operators. It is not possible to illustrate all these operators without having the full knowledge of C language. So, in this case, we will be learning about these operators as we follow along with our tutorial series in C development. Thank you.